Hey guys, today is Saturday, wait, October 18, 2020, and I just wanna reflect, today kung ano nangyari. You know, today is it's not really a productive day, and it's my fault kasi I played too much Fallout New Vegas. Hindi ako nakapaglaba ngayon. Hindi ako nakapag, chores. I didn't do any shit. Promise. At as you can see, nakano na ako. Nakasweater kasi gusto ko na matulog ng maaga. Kasi parang kulang pa rin tulog ko. Dahil kagabi umuwi ako ng 2:30 siguro. Kung nakita niyo yung previous video ko, that was like alauna na. Napakakonya. That was like 1 a.m. na. And nag-decide ako na matutulog dito sa bahay. Kasi parang wala lang, gusto ko mapaiba yung mundo ko. And after nun, uwi ako. Nagdating ako ng mga alas 3 na umulan. Naulanan nga ako nun eh. And pagising ko ngayon, kanina mga bandang 8 na, wala lang internet, wala na. So I just play games, and nakalimutan ko na ayusin yung laundry. Actually, yung kamay ko pinapasma na. Sakit na ng kamay ko. Dahil maghapon ako naglaro ng Fallout, tapos nagbasa ako. Yikes. So, I don't know. I'm still the same shit pa rin. Like, hindi ko pa rin alam kung anong gusto ko, anong gusto kong gawin. No? I'm still confused up to this day, and it worries me. It really worries me, man. Diba? It's just like I don't know what I want to this day. Like right now, I don't know what I want. There's times that I focus on specific, task. For example, like I want to focus on my research. I want to focus on my body. I want to focus on my face, taking care of myself. It's the same shit. If ever that I want to pagsalo lahat, pagsabay at the same time, it's really hard. I just don't. That's why I don't know what I want. But I'm glad that I'm still consistent making this video every day. I might not upload this today. I might upload this tomorrow kasi walang internet. So baka sumabay yung ngayong video at panibagong video. Yeah. Kasi I think I'm going to be consistent with this thing. Like, nagkakaroon ako ng reflection before matapos ang araw ko. Before I go to sleep. It's just sad na hindi ko talaga alam ginagawa ko. Like, look at this mess. Diba? And parang feel ko na-drain na rin ako. Napagod na ako, parang hindi ko na kayang gumalaw. Okay, gumagalaw ako pero ayaw ko na mag-effort. Like, my body tells me na chill, stop. Diba? I hope tomorrow na makakapag-bounce back agad ako from all this shit. Sana to bukas wala na. Like, maayos na sila. And sana sana makakapagsimba ako. Hindi, magsisimba ako bukas. And I wanna go and apologize ulit, you know, asking for forgiveness for our sins, the way I speak. Yun na rin pati, gusto ko pala masabi na sobrang lala ko magsalita minsan. Hindi naman like parang nag-disrespect ako, pero when it comes to bad words, sobrang patuloy ng patuloy, like, you know, it's just so bad. Sobrang, you know, it's not really that nice. I always seem to try hard in my life, and I get forced by myself to, you know, say bad words because I think it seems cool when I say that shit. See, you know, like I hope someone will, like, you know, punish me with this, you know, bad words. I mean, my like, you know, my life has been punishing me, I guess, but I want to reduce the, you know, using the bad words, and I want to be expressive again. I mean, yesterday we talked about, me and my boy Vince, we talked about, like, girls, you know, like, why do I need it? How can it benefit? How it can benefit me? You know. And I'm asking, you know, for advice. I mean, it's all right. It's all about me, how to, you know, plan the shit, play the game, discarte. So I guess that's it. I got nothing really to say. I'm tired mentally. I made bad choices ngayong araw. That's why. And this really affects me as well. And I hope, if you're watching this, I hope you make better small choices, because those small choices may affect your future. It may affect your, you know, your day if you wake up and make bad small decisions. And if you keep doing it consistently, making bad choices in that day, it will, I know, like, end of the day, it's gonna be bad. It's really hard to bounce back if you don't have a discipline like me. I don't have a discipline to myself. It's just I don't seem like I love myself to this day. So that's all. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Babush.